guys, check this out. BMW Z4 2012. It's now fully integrated with factory style CarPlay on the original screen. So as you can see, everything is still original, nothing has been changed on the vehicle, but we've given it a modern touch. Press and hold down the back button and there you go. Oh, it's going to be a bit flickery on there because of the refresh rate, but yeah, as you can see, full CarPlay, wireless as well. So it's the full wireless CarPlay right on the screen. You can use all your original controller as well. So to navigate the system, all the sound comes to the original system as well. So we've got Kiss playing at the moment. So all your favorite apps that are supported can be used.